Yo, do nguloreta le le soksongo o ngula chonga I New Zealand. Dan do me online mani ua o ngulai. Lan yo so sat wali mai I Cambodia na mono chu ina ando na distributa ichi una na kakana bi ando na walenga ichi una COVID-19. I nando to end of the month, first of the week meeting. Tos jonga nando to vivo araramatai. Na ena sangai chi ume pamatata I sona itutuwa merani da tosopata kiritu. Ila ni uchine robitango imbulai na marasau chi mani ongi cheu saram mo to mani ngamai na to meeting na last time amu mela ochumi ai sai oean marasau din to wuli na leaders ai na marau ai na important leaders and followers and not to vision elani na ai ndo no matata ina vision ko songo ke ana to no vital lo ina no so also not to move on to the next slide. All right, so leaders not to leaders go back. So the better to wala no computer leaders o ando to wala ni ando to na leader ando to ando po na chusungo the very important thing we must have a vision where we want to go wala ni sa chi ona no to inai baleta no to vision na ando to na sanga me ando to na achieve and also must be an effective communicator. I can put my hand up. Ito na ando ko ito ay ni ito mangkaso ti sarbe en ang matata ina choangi vi imyo wale ni songsongo so na vi amin baletan na vision na tapos uchi la lao chu ina na songsongo ilani we guilty on that ilani acho vi o chale from the ground acho vi o kwe ito dono mo amatata ina maybe imamikete na lim songsongo on ran lim songsongo 11 na warong tu ram gadila tu mango en rata payado chu leaders, you must maximize your energy. Ila unio leader unio alusiano mungauna na vitala no vitalia o atu mongele sanga mo take it personally. Lebuna anayado, it's part of the process of being a leader. But as a leader, you ila which one is important more you engage. About you engage with vitalia, you end up risking. You get exhausted. We have to. That means managing your energy is to still focus on our vision rather than lawa vitalia tungan and the tuta. Sachunun to vision. I will touch a little bit on our vision today. Sachunun to vision. Sangaichi o na en ayang gina vision seme en andeota ina vision imiaw na lem song sange en aro and the leaders maximize our energy. The main thing to focus to in say when and fulfill ta in to mission and aro connect with high potential people ndo na chumilang pasa do ko angara connection with and na tatawa matin to connection with and no mo nation no mo so they nga chuma overseas ilan people that can help us change to connection with and na no mital pala na no more no get that spiritual energy more recharge the need and so the last one is recharging your emotional battery. It's very important ilani libsul bitalon ani ambretan youth. Sometimes you take time out, talk to your family. You get those energy from, those emotion from being the organ rangkasin di benua. This is where you get those energy, more recharge more and more. And as a leader. And remember, as a leader, and it's I'm getting my title. You must be clear on the vision. You must communicate the vision effectively to our followers. Also, maximize your energy on achieving the vision. Only engage now. In terms of the youth, what you lead in the youth, engaging an ambulance youth. Only when our Vitalia or engaging in Lomania. You gonna waste a lot of your energy in doing all sorts of things, and then we end up not achieving anything. Connect with high potential people. We to connect with the Ministry of Youth Lambasa. Connect na vivo kiringo yo ila ni na rani yanga mevi ina ndona ambaleta na ana you and recharge your emotion battery. One of the good ways to recharge your emotion is to go back and unia na vision. Chaga unia na vision na o feeling down when you want to give up, when you don't want to be involved, when you say that and they're not following. Look at the bigger picture. Look at the vision, and to address that. Once you keep your focus on that, so I'm going to take them out. I'm giving the value when the leaders. You cannot be fully engaged on this 24/7. You need time for your family. You need time to do your own thing. If you're a farmer, you need time to do your farming. If you're a student, you need time to study. If you you need time for your work. You need time for everything else. Then you can be effective in the club. You can become an effective leaders. Right. Anna leaders, followers. I live we and then lao chumi I nyoki na ko mumur chumi I without the Charlie boy or I live in nga sartunga ra angivnya soli rom gani soli from gatin ilaw and say that on the responsibility. We're not looking for numbers only. We're not looking for members only. We want people and remember engagement and song for them to come and get involved. On my get involved. And one way to do that, to have a say in this, is to contribute financially. Saya cuma soli. You want to get to do maya. Ya, Italy, ya tu yang ke bayar wa, you soli tu nunggu soli. Oleh impor cina vale mai Europe. So you running and don't do to involved. See. Usually nunggu soli osala itara ina na vale ni wawa mesangani. Sana bangata itu yang me na fridge na stote in Nangoli. And then my followers, Kevin na lalai, bola awam bulai di umbi. What does that mean? You register to Navoli Ambula on a little piece of land in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. So what have you done to contribute? Na tavo iyo dava, mendua ina mudau ina dela ni somo mama da iyo bola ini. Au acho nungu ya vutu au na lalai toto au etin. Inside me, my blood through and through eu lalai etin. Au ila tu nungu tabi, ila nungu na tavo eu ndono muda au. At some stage in my life, I need to start giving back. I need to start involved. It's not because I want to, it is my duty. Anana nongu itabi. Avanua senda nongu responsibility me una dona ngona nona dondolingi. Avanua enta keve enta livi no tu men aurari nusa abatu livi abon. Na la obona songo na la ivivu na ani songo na akede ana. But na livi we're talking about from an economic perspective only. I live to get this right. na songo ai ani development, youth development. Ai mengani songo ni ava vanua se me ani ava alutu. We link to those things. We part of that. We are ingrained into na nondoto songo na ava vanua. We respect those people in control. We respect those people who are in charge. Ni vanua. We respect those under na ava alutu na to we songo lutu. But the main purpose and the main reason not to songo, not to na tirkelia urban youth club. We are the youth that to sangacho and to vaune na dava sona ibu me va in economic development meron sustain tenian. Sustain meaning meron in rabulay na nacho those people who live on the island. You and I, we have decided to leave the island. We have decided to find life somewhere else outside of the piece of land in the two islands to hold our bula. So our responsibility is to make sure so they can sustain themselves. They can send the kids to school. They can afford it by maintaining the land for you and me. We end up bito mena all. Ana naina ile bunyi ai, naina ile bunyi songo ai. Don't get me wrong about I ni tambu na my post and anil gi songo. Don't get me wrong. Uni ai ni nanu menu yo mungkin tamatalutu. Uni nanu menu data na gi songo. I'm talking about the institution. I'm not the mungkin data na gi songo. Na damo in having and vunuta in the washing alone. This is not the platform. Ai na magani ana vanu mo mai siata ina nan message mai vino mutawatal. Se na message mai vino no songo. That is individual. And then do songo. I can see this is gonna be the problem. That's why we have it there in the first place. Apa ayu acho ni lotu okay mangani dua bata ina kita sangat tentang matalu tu dong serangan understand ina nangi lau nangi unimi ina dan zaman di dan matua di level ni non negara di elo it's just a two totally different things. So an effective follower is both an independent and active in organization. So you have to be an independent thinker. So I'm giving it you have to be active. Get involved. It's okay. What is your concern? When people I am in a view on the name songo. Now you are that's fine. That's good. And I've retired no concern. So let's talk about it. There is a table when the two may be talent in it. Amangani watarai ina songo ina nota is a promota in do na songo. Ana matai. An auto man do. Osar nga saya ro. Libu enta na songo. And auto tunga man no dina, non da numanga ni santina non da lotu. Ningon ai gina binendo da magin do pata ina then we think we can just leave because everybody else here is wrong. Ana na asa nga sanga itu ina me uni unei lo men ni songo ai. Na no do alotu. And no do alotu put it outside. Songo ai we all come non that diverse in na tava ina doing ni non the ideas na doing ni and the represent ina. Ota kere mai menda game enhance ta ina menda ba unia merawa na ani development whether achu no songo no to a good follower is a good worker tam do ada wa muria chona aya do chi on sa angibne na ameta muria ambetul no embromboro la o embromboro ntona ay menda soli ba achu no milabo soli If I'm going to that's okay. Give your time. If I give you knowledge, give you idea, give your ideas. And to na tratal and to involve na lomani song to ay na lomani youth ay bulay Bulai no na jobo na masu atu na masu rupitang lotu na ve ngona kere ni akede he was there from the beginning. We knew that he has a big responsibility. Na masu ni enda totu masu tu na ana na buna set up itu ina vene. Don't get me wrong. O matalanga mo matata ina na duindui se na if amanga we gonna go up to na makaninda na toso batakedi. Give you a scenario. Donga na ena ba sama as a leader. Na dava how you gonna on a manage the ina ba dava. Eba ai dua laini di umbia. Sabi sa umelai lo tu Muslimani, se melo tu Hindu ngai la di umbia. How you gonna address that? You na maganda na discriminate in mo ai o you maganda ni la umelai ni oro embatin usalo tu Muslimani, usalo tu Hindustani. We enda to na leo ni youth. And the sub awat su ender na Musliman. The to na leo ni lalai ni umbia. And the sal eva awat su ender na Hindustani. Ayon the to song. Everybody have our own. To be on ra ni o lalai ni umbia ni lalai ni oro da e ra o de ayo na to patu se botulele. Your kids, yourself, everybody ayon on the song. To problema ainda to une ando to ni ai manganina mai limite welnga ndonga na sunglotu se mena limite ngan ideology to ndonu mesa rara masaranga nto asam to mesa ya wasarna bono mento une mento na rani sanga in economic development because I know in the future there will be different people entering ando to gonwa menrlaangi menrna marrun laangi menrna loman na ambimbinga mechuvi endo to na thawa nondo to as a follower you should know that you're part of the vision competence honesty you have to have the courage tell me if I'm wrong tell me to I be only dona ando dona moda and loyal and believe me I will listen ela ni ana ruru na side followers and leaders na mo so mga avia o bulai na matasawachi na niruitan loa gai that thing really strike me no yeah given in our avia leaders they can see the vision but not the followers not necessarily the followers we see the vision na training ai ito malata me ito ayang gibi me una followers me unia na vision na vision ai me ado dona ngona me dona wabu me satare sangani awang galili bu menra eleangi menra offload dina wabu I sangani na motoka na tractor me ado ngona me tu mai I umbia dona hotel me ado ngona andra tulo mani oro andra ada no vi so mi vi mata me ado ngona you don't have to leave the Cumbia to mela ivuli na lubem ilambas. Tungai di Umbia, uta atio, pay new, la agen new la ivuli di Umbia. Sina business ita banga and tun gale unia me hada di Umbia. Mena da. That's a big picture. That's a vision. To be in we am doing a follower. Hang on to that. Maybe not nangu my lifetime. But to lifetime mo atu, to lifetime mo asiri. That's the big vision. They la onge o asiri si o atu merutung kala di Umbia. From here in New Zealand, they book their hotel and accommodation and go to the island and the Umbia Island and spend a month and a week there. There is a hotel. There is a place for them to go. Run out on a friend, and that's a vision. So if I'm more, then just give some clear ideas, some clear pictures. And to tani na to do ideas, na to way, na to do, and we'll just all work together on that. And they even end to it. About men na sanga men daw. Otor ita ina na to nanra inimbulan va economic development va ayango na tamata Sangai set nomu economic development sana ana barre sana bulu barre demi sana lutu barre sana akir sana arre It's not the other way around. Tamata wailawa, tamata lotu. There's nothing wrong with money. There is this negative connotation, and we have to kind of strip it away. You can have a lot of money and be spiritually filled and go to heaven. And right, let's go into the next slide. Navona vision. What is our vision? Navona to and the to the buchi. The to vitango in from the beginning. Aila ni do bebe mundo one madala o some kind of something. I think it was Sala or Toia or Sabin there. Toia, Toviria nampai ke firikalia. This is a metaphor. Mungkin literally mean the tola o mean to tararambai lewu na oro. We do that by promote, develop, implement economic and sustainable livelihood in the Gambia Island. Anna na vision, Anna na aida to the other. I was just trying to paint a picture of to promote an economic development. To sanga mi live na ami live uni mi da ina voli. To sanga mi live na ami to wada abuna oro. To te da ai and romundo te angona tu o volte numdo angona mundo volte indalo tu volte numdo ndalo and then implement sala na implementation. We start buying things from the enromundo milambas sustainable livelihood marani and na feedback na akide ay ganda tu na oro so na atario ya tapa mundo semngani buli raw sartu me na oro tato ko mundo na sanga so may itu rungan New Zealand itu sangat we want to build up this thing until it reaches time and the tosa bulu-bulu ngamai ni ombia. We don't have a lot of resources financially. Me tung start ngabene tosa kick the in sarangana, but we can go through this process together. Menga yado na nona. Ito we have enough finance. Me ito butang ito na container me bulu mai ina norto bulu na or and then come through. But we have to start somewhere. To engage in and to man na norto chuno bunisong-song. Once we build it up, then we can go. Don't contain ang ilawang di saya tong kilamba sa tawa sarang may nakakanakin may umbia. Ang may tawa ena sang kilaw may distribute may overseas. We'll get there. Maybe we can find to william don some lamba sa billion don to factory may packaging na ambia, packaging na bundi, packaging na Yanggona, packaging na dabangay o mena oro. Merani feedback na lesson nila wa event. That's our vision. To ia to viria nampai ke firkan. We have to see. This is a metaphor taken from the Bible. Me to sanga merani mena un asur nampai ai. In the Bible it was referring to nampai mena taro enemies to go get into the Gambia. What is our enemies? We are our worst enemies. And we want the people not to leave. I don't want people to leave. I will go into a way. When I retire, I will go live with Umbia. And when I come back, so is there the people already there. Munga may feel, say Munga enjoy it in a couple of years before I go. That's the idea. Yo, there are three strategy area and objective have been identified as the key focus needed to begin to realize our vision. Tolu na alilevu over the 4 or 5 years of our existence, lauda ichumai in the Malachi mena. These are common characteristic the club. Respectful, non-judgmental, and welcoming. And we have this family. But the thing is, we have to be respectful of each other. Respect liu. I respect liu. Suppose we liu to na ngasi subiao na liu ni nongu matanggali. Maganin na rong levu nongu vosa na maganin rong levu na domongu eba amdo leva ya sangu nongu lulu. Nongu I need you guys here. na rawa wala nga na ayo sangachu ai ba mdo to no guliu ya sang. I feel comfortable. I feel proud that ni umdo chu ya sang. Na eba mdo na leba sangu na ndendre na law ai na mungit ni yo obo bibina atal nga ni pangatay niya una alo me rani umdo accept ina me sulivia na time wata ina energy me o vi wata bulit se me vi barara matai lebu vi me una barong jo na murjume ai mo eba mulistal manda mo talnota ina na budin na tirikali abuni club 2017 nungula ange mulai vimpulu vinala sa uchin vimpulu samai ta chumbe sa la hau chumbe na bambu pa sa to ga review nang kasi bali bensu aton kita mekeli to ket serangan lama ina oro o to chuke na singan tani dan to ket na sangai to vio men to erere e va anu rani va une sona me rani viu ina o i ana na vanua e susu e sulu ina na tirkeli abuni kla apa ato ayata ina ta ina na vision statement o to sate indi rongoto ni ua serap te ina ongeli sume ana sate ebuna proses ni na serap te ila register serap te ina bank account ato do and Anna, that's why this thing is very important to me because to avonu sarangavio on to nangas. Auna mangadina unetunga mo itunga bine this thing to go down. There is a lot of things on the line. If you carry that, mongai bite ulo hello mongai ilachu ni this is my duty. And it's my responsibility to carry this forward. Datu sa ila jo nang kasi sa wala chuma ni ado may no ngau na metu na lao gina. And they're passing on the bet. And the to saranga we have to hold on to this bet. This is our chance. This is our time. Datu tara. Awabi mundo na eva mundo malatan memory mundo na alongata malatan memory mundo na arereke hold on to this bet. Nangono yo na dewa lulungkata ina nandrinde na limu nandrinde na lao na odo. Training. The next thing is training. To equip and provide clear and empowering information. Salah satu cuma training. So the idea is if I'm in the bully, if I'm in the dolaman ng sama, mendarani une na amal attitude, I think then we can all work together and have a clear idea of where we're going. Improve economic intelligence. So everything about our organization to do with economic development. And as I said too, spiritually we are good. We are very spiritual people. There's a lot to give it to. So we only come in because we know there is a need for economic development in the village. That's why they come in asking me to ame and to me to nangasi. But that doesn't happen in a week. This thing will take 10 or 20 years from now for you and everybody to actually see there has a changes at every so now but we're doing a lot of thinking. We spend a lot of time thinking, pondering. And over the years, information, training, it is part of the process. And the Abuni mangunga enreu chu na vaviri chu na vasangai chu. Mungkin vasanga wala nga tamata vasanga nambe ana manumanu. We will go through a lot of things. People will talk. Lebu tamata rendusi. Lebu tamata rana lama yang rana mai vaviri le ni tau rana vasanga lebu na. Because they see there is something good sa chu le tau. Sanreu chu sa tebu menreu chu sa tebu matu chu mai antu sanga. It has to be more clear. Sina even vono itu na lau chu na. People they can come out from, and when they be in organization, they have to be our leader's role is to commit to be a leader of change and able our vision to realize. Normally, na leaders to anga to sanga we enter to members men unecho na puno to la uchinai. Provide resources, tools, and support needed. Malachangi ay na training, total na alalay sa na sangay chumilambasa mena sangay mena taraida ay ina nonto. Appreciate and build understanding of our difference. Lebon ra to and we have to understand even though the Tondongana family, there is a lot of difference within us. And those are good things. Don't mean to appreciate it. So tamatan do ngalngol tunga do follows, so do lebutun rosa, so tamata and ramangani everything ayagini and ramangani duwata ina. If as a leader you need to know all those. Magandi no job monangay atini somebody vini ana sabani ena you have to understand it. As a leader, you have to understand and appreciate it and figure out a way to get through to them. And a number responsibility as a leader. So I do not do action plan. Okay, action plan this is a thing that we're working on. We must have our vision statement, our core value, and our strategic goal. Our mission statement, like I've been our actual, to build up to find sustainable economic livelihood in the Gambia is our vision statement, to work hard, to promote, to ensure that our children understand their culture, their language. These are some of the things that we can start thinking into. What is our core value? Our core value is respect, integrity, vanua, lotu involved in there. These are the things that in the core value. And our strategic goal, dalatuna spelling the goal on. Strategic goals is to get there. What do we need to do? So that's join a training. So that's join to provide resources, information, and all these. Some of the strategic goal we're touching into merani enable the ina na nondo to visi. Lani matata chuve to ana. Yo, they've been ate on na pyramid. So our vision is up there. Sa to mission statement, kere our core value support ina na vi akere chuma na strategy goal. Strategy goal I run at a multi-level perspective in doing it. We on do it abumandano individual goal so that you can contribute to our core value, and our core value drives our mission statement to get to make our vision materialize and realize. They talk about the mena bush nambun, the strategic goal on the toe when okay, the toe men to tear with an undol no punyangona ai, merawa in the tone contribute one to solely na viambai. And to do that, you have now core value is integrity, respect, fulfill the mission and on vision. Anana sona amen to tebu wanana no chogena. Next week, no to guest you lo bulai nangai on mo nangai mai raunin dono na vosa me paleta na ideas ni vision but in leadership and followers. Lani wani ni recho ke vendo lambasa vendo na to mai ari lambasa sa dacho na soli mi o kele na leoni members ni ngatu suliano mu se o soli but na ilawa na le vivu na anda vai chono to organization
na vivu na sanga itu na development. $5 ila bulai. There is a lot of things that we have to nanunga tu Levuna tu on a plane. Na rawalanga e mana rawata. Main thing tu. Pe mdo kede na cuma Amerika, pe mdo cuma Australia, mdo cuma Lambasa. Ne pono tapanga anda sema mai na leuni youth o challenge tani anda to rawata, anda to wimuri. Ton of leaders so they probably next year we have a new set of leaders. One day you'll be a leaders, and then one day you'll be a follower. If you're a follower now, when you become a leader, then you will appreciate those people who have been following you. Everybody, I have been a follower in a lot of organizations. When I become a leader, I realize how important is those people who are following us. And the main thing, the leaders. The followers, the leaders and the they need you. Manga ni na rawata na aratun rava, evanda na duya loyal, evanda na ngato. Sam ganing ng nga, ang na menda na sasanga, menda na toso watakili. Ilan ni sarochi de towana, nearly 45 minutes training. Sana may dapat chuy ena na to recording ay au sana ngai sanga mi una upload ang